Let us consider the construction of a personnel budget for this hypothetical police department. Consider the fact that we have 24 hours per day and we have 365 days a year. And given the size of this district, you need to have 9 patrol cars and there are 2 officers in each patrol car. Those officers work 8-hour shifts and they work during 5 days a week. The police officers also have 3 weeks off, paid time off, and this can be mostly vacation and sick leave. For example, here you can assume that they take two weeks of vacation and 1 week of sick leave. The salary of the police officer per year is $61,200, and there are also 30% fringe benefits. Think about the fringe benefits as Social Security, health insurance, unemployment insurance, etc. In the first step, what we are going to do is we are going to calculate the personnel hours needed. Think about that we have this police department and they need to provide services those 24 hours a day and during every day of the year. So we know that we have 24 hours during the day. We have times 365 days a year. And since we have 9 patrol cars with 2 officers in each patrol car, we can calculate the personnel hours needed. So in this case, the number is 157,680 hours. Think about this being the number of hours that we need to fill in order to provide the services listed above. Now, the question is, how many hours can each officer provide per year? So we have 52 weeks in a year, but we know that they have 3 weeks off. And hence they work 49 weeks during the year. So we take the 49 weeks and we know that they work during 5 days of those weeks in each week and that they work 8 hours. And hence each officer can provide 1,960 hours. Now that we know how many personnel hours are needed and how much each officer can provide, we can make the calculations in the sense that we have 157,680 hours to fill, divided by 1,960. So that amounts to 80.45. Note that if you were to round down, you would not be able to provide the services listed above. And hence you need to round up, meaning that you need to have 81 officers. Now that we know we need 81 officers, and we also know their salary and their fringe benefit, we can now make the personnel or the salary calculations. So we know that they earn $61,200 per year, but we also know that they are having fringe benefits in the amount of $18,360. Okay? So the 61,200 is the base salary. And the 18,360 are the fringe benefits. Note that you get this amount of $18,360 by multiplying $61,200 by 30 or by 0.3. And hence each officer costs $79,560 per year. We know that we have 81 officers, and hence we can then calculate the total personnel cost, which amounts to $6,444,360. Okay. So this would be your personnel budget.